Hello there, Tiksurgers. Now we will talk about in another tutorial about Tiksurge and the interactions and events and a very special integration with Tiksurge. You might be familiar with it, you might not be familiar with it. I'll leave all the links in the description to download this. This is Tiksurge that is compatible with Tiksurge. Tiksurge was not published or developed by us. It's just an integration that works with Tiksurge. Now that this downloads, you go to the download folder, extract it, Tiksurge. There you go. You just start the integration for, let's first say, for example, here a Elden Ring, and you start the Elden Ring here. Now, here we can use the third party, type third party, and we say Elden Ring integration. We say invert camera, for example, and invert character. Now you walk like a moron. The camera and the character are flipped. You can do any of these integration for Elden Ring. Let's say zoom out camera. There you go. All integrations work. I don't know how to kill the guy, but whatever. There you go. So all the integration works with Tiksurge. All games here are working a working integration with it, with jump scares and whatnot. Sometimes you should start the integration before using it here. So you start integration of Elden Ring before starting the action here. All these games work with Tiksurge. Tiksurge was not developed by us. Please check my other videos for more tutorials about Tiksurge and how to make your life more vibrant and more interactable, so you have more viewers and more money. Thank you very much for watching this video. This was Tiksurge. Bye bye.